this is Melissa, and I'm here tonight to do the Elemental Swirl Challenge for Amy Warden's 2013 Soap Challenge. And I just wanted to show you my setup for tonight. Here's my oils, and I have my scale out. I'm going to actually measure all the segments because there's a lot in the soap. So I have all these cups for the different colors. I actually think I need 7. That's okay, I have extras. See, extras, can't have too many extras. And all my colorants that I will have mixed into little soap cups. And we'll put them in here into the measured soap that we make from the oils. There's my blending stick. Hi, blending stick. We just don't want the blending stick to feel left out. Okay, anyway. I'm geeking out a little bit tonight. I'm really sorry. Anyway, yeah, that's my setup for tonight. So I'm going to go ahead and get my camera set up so that you can watch this video, and I'll be right back. Okay, we're going to go ahead and mix the lye water in now. I have silk and clay in here. I always strain it just in case there's any clumps. Also, I put a little bit too much clay in there, so I'm hoping that the filter will catch a little bit of it. Out of the way with that. Okay, let's go ahead and mix this up. I'm going for a little bit smaller batch tonight, just to make sure I have exactly 2 pounds. Just a little bit oily there. Now, one thing they say that I've heard a lot about is getting a false trace, where it's more like your oils are thickening up from your solid oil starting to re-solidify, as opposed to truly starting to trace. But they've also said that when you emulsify your oils, this is the part where it's the soap of no return, or it's the point of no return, where once it's emulsified, that you can't go back. So I don't know how it can be possible that once you're emulsified and your lye starts working, that you could possibly get a false trace. I mean, you might at first, but it'll eventually harden up. It might not be the smoothest product because of the hardening, but I don't really know. That one confuddles me. I'm a little confused about that one. If anybody has any idea about that one, I would love to know. But right now, we're nice and smooth. Let's go one more turn. Okay, that's pretty well emulsified, so that's as far as I'm going to go with that. I have a habit of getting into a thick trace really fast, and I really want to kind of start avoiding that. Especially for this swirl. Okay, let's see how much this weighs. Okay, it weighs 35.9 ounces, so we'll call it 36. The bucket weighs 5 ounces, so we have 31 ounces of oils, which is perfect for what we're doing. So let's pour. We need 2 white and 3 in each color, so let's see. 32 divided by 6. Now, I forgot to do my math on this one. I will be right back. Okay, so I did the math. So between 8 colors, or 8 cups per color, it is 3.87. So we're just going to go 3.8 to 3.9 in each cup. Oh, that's a lot. 4.6. That's 3.9. 3.9.
I think we can agree that the statistics are overwhelming,
Let's try for a 3.8 here.
in hard dollars, based upon implementing the statewide alert system. And how do you reconcile that cost with the statistics?
That's 3.7. Good enough.
How do we reconcile the statistics? Well, first I think we really need to understand them. Amber loves
3.7.
her favorite subject was creative writing. Her teacher said she was a little perfectionist.
3.8.
Her favorite food was swirl and spaghetti.
Get that a little better where you can see that.
The day that she was abducted, we were selling Girl Scout cookies. Me and Amber and Vicky. She was laughing.
3.7. How many is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I need a bigger cut for this one. Okay, we'll make it work.
She's my baby. She was taken and murdered for no reason, and no one knew for hours or hours. And no one could help us find her.
Okay,
So,
last one's a little small, 3.6. That's okay.
just sent her home.
Okay, so we're going to start with colors now. We need 2 that are going to be natural, so we're going to set those back. I have them set up for 3 warm colors and 3 cool colors.
Your children and your friends' children.
Let's move the scale out of the way so we can start coloring these cups, these soap cups. And I'm going to start with, let's see if you can see. I'm going to start with the cool colors. I'm going to do like a green and a blue and like a light tealish color. the neutral colored soap batter. Stir this up. There's not a whole lot in there, is there? Definitely not. I'll have to see if that'll work. We're going to put some of the TD in there because I don't really like how yellow my batter is. Maybe I did this wrong. Maybe you're supposed to have more of the neutral batter, but I don't think so. Some of the ones that I've seen so far have some really colorful swirls. Okay, we're just going to mix this up the best we can. Make this a little more visible. Oh, that's pretty good.
Flex pen comes pre-filled with fast-acting insulin used to help control high blood sugar when you eat. Dial the exact dose. Inject by pushing a button. No drawing from the vial. You should eat a meal within 5 to 10 minutes after injecting Novolo. Insulin has smart RNA origin injection. Do not use if your blood sugar is too low or if you're allergic to any of its ingredients.
Okay, mold.
Is low blood sugar, which may cause symptoms such as sweating, shakiness, confusion, and headache. Severe low
One turn. There we go.
alcohol use, operating machinery, or driving. Other possible side effects include injection site reactions and low potassium in your blood. Tell your healthcare provider about all medicines you take and all of your medical conditions. Get medical help right away when you experience serious allergic reactions such as body rash, trouble with breathing, fast heartbeat, or sweating. Flex pen is insulin delivery my way. Covered by most insurance plans, including Medicare. Find your copay cost.
This looks like this is okay, so I just found out that my camera had stopped recording again. Excuse me. Not enough memory apparently. So anyway, here's the final swirl. I mixed the warm colors on top with a little bit of the blue peeking through in places. I am going to put this in the oven to make sure that it gels. Because there are so many colors, I just want to see it really, really bright and really, really pretty. So we're going to gel this one tonight. I don't really know where the camera stopped recording at. So just as a wrap up, I did 3 colors on the bottom, a green, a blue, and a teal with a clear base. They were all equal parts. And for the line in the middle, I did a cinnamon line, just for cinnamon, because I don't have any micas. I only have oxides right now. For the top, I did the blue, the green, and the turquoise, which means that I did like the orangey kind of brown, the mustard yellow, and the red on the bottom. So as you can see, those are all mixed up on the top, what was left. And if there's anything else that I missed that the camera did not pick up, I will make sure to put that on my blog, and you'll also see the cut video for this one. Because the cut video did not come out on the last one, I will make sure that it does come out on this one. One other thing I do want to mention before I go is that I forgot to fragrance my soap. And then I remembered that I was working with so many colors and I only had, enough fragrance for half of the batch, so I actually ended up only fragrancing the top half. In retrospect, had I not forgotten, I would have just split it evenly on each side of the pencil line on the clear or on the white portion, just to make sure that both the top and the bottom are fragrance. But this is just how it's going to work out for now. There's the preheat to 170 degrees on my oven. Everybody have a great night, and I'll see you with the cut video. Bye!